Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US 11, beginning at mile 118 in the town of Mexico, Oswego County, New York. We almost immediately enter the town of Richland, which is bordered to the west by Lake Ontario. The town was first settled in 1801 and today has a population of 5,637. The first town meeting was held in 1807 at the Brewster residence, and town officials were chosen. The town's first school was established in the summer of 1808. The Pulaski Union School and Academy was officially incorporated as the Pulaski Academy by the legislature on June 4, 1853. Richland offers white sand beaches, state parks, activities for all four seasons, and year-round sport fishing. One of the town's highlights is its top-notch water system, which delivers award-winning water quality to both Richland and nearby towns. The local economy is diverse, covering sectors like manufacturing and health services. In the upcoming village of Pulaski, we'll make our closest approach to the Great Lakes in the history of 504 road trips at just under 4 miles from Lake Ontario. This is also the closest we've been to a foreign nation up to this point, at a little over 31 miles to the Canadian border in the middle of the lake. However, we'll come much closer than that at the end of this series. Pulaski had a population of 2,186 as of the 2020 census. Pulaski is known for its heavy snowfall due to its location in the snow belt. The area gets a lot of lake effect snow, creating difficult travel conditions in long winters that often last from mid-December to mid-April. This happens when cold air moves over the lake, causing the lower, warmer air to pick up moisture, which then freezes and falls as snow on the downwind shores. The village was incorporated in 1832, and prior to that was known by other names including Fishville and Salmon River for the river that runs through the middle of the village. Legend has it that in 1829, the names of Revolutionary War heroes were put into a hat and the name of General Casimir Pulaski was drawn. There's no explanation for the local pronunciation of Pulaski though. Since the 1840s, many factories have been established in and around the village of Pulaski, benefiting from its location on the Salmon River. Over the years, at least 120 factories have come and gone, ranging from wood mills to ironworks. Today, only a few industrial companies remain, including Fulton Companies, Healthway, and Scholler Technical Paper. The Pulaski Village Historic District and Selkirk Lighthouse at the mouth of the Salmon River are both listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Pulaski's economy heavily relies on fishing tourism, with both the Salmon River and Lake Ontario being popular spots for sport fishing. The fishing season peaks in the fall with the Salmon River Festival, held annually at the Farmers Market site. Pulaski is also part of a large snowmobile trail system that connects to other trails across central and northern New York, attracting more winter tourists as the trails gain popularity. Reliable snowfall, especially in the Tug Hill region, supports this growing winter tourism. Additionally, summer tourism thrives due to Pulaski's proximity to Lake Ontario, offering activities like whitewater rafting and featuring parks, resorts, and campsites that attract thousands of visitors each year. We enter the town of Sandy Creek, which had a population of 3,813 as of the 2020 census. The area was first settled around 1803. In 1825, Sandy Creek became independent from the town of Richland. 10 years later, in 1835, a local resident named Thomas Meacham decided to make a massive cheese as a gift for President Andrew Jackson. The cheese was an impressive 4 feet in diameter, 2 feet thick, and weighed almost 1,400 pounds. It was delivered to the White House, where it stayed until February 22, 1836. On that day, President Jackson invited the public to come and enjoy the cheese. This event later gained fame through an episode of the television show The West Wing. We conclude today's video here at mile 130. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.